Go for it.
All right, we got the caulk gun back. Let's see. These repairs are by the valley, which means, dude, when you get a roof this old, it's hard to repair it. This is just one of the 172 reasons in the valley. There's holes in here to where, hey, yeah, I could pull this out, not caulk the hose, but then I'm getting down to the valley and playing with it, and that's why a lot of these older roofs are unrepairable. We're gonna try to do our best to help this lady out. That one. I realize it's under the headlamp, but it's tore from the tear off. To me it doesn't seem to be all that serious, but at the same time, what's it do to her warranty with the shingle? Broke it. Ugh. Man, I could feel the crack in that when I lifted it, dude. And that's why now that shingle needs to change. I can see right there where it cracked, but not only that, but when I lifted it up, look what it did. It broke the laminate of the laminate. And yeah, I'm gonna caulk that, but at the same time, there's another damaged shingle. That laminate too, kinda really new to where I realize every time we lift one of these shingles, the laminate is breaking. The actual shingle itself's kind of got a little crack to it, but the laminate is breaking. I'm not even gonna try to lift that. All right, we're gonna come back and glue it though. I don't know if we already looked at that one, but look, there's a lifting of it, and it's got the laminate coming undone. Every time you move, you ain't got to lift her. Anytime you move one of these shingles, the laminate's breaking, and then that's what's going to happen with these other shingles where the laminate is missing. It's going to be the same thing, like where do you stop? Especially on this front, we counted 17 shingles. And this was like one or two of them. Now, it might have been more than that because there was some broke next to each other here. But at the same time, look at what we're getting into for changing two shingles. And this one's got to go higher because I know it cracked when I first touched it. Yep, I could feel just a little bit of a give right there. I could feel it, man, where it damaged that shingle. I can see right here where it, and you can see it. Look right there where it, that wasn't like that when we started. That sucker's totally undone, but look at the crack that it made all the way across it.